Where is GH synthesized in the human body? What triggers release of GH into the bloodstream? Where is GH synthesized in the human body? In the anterior pituitary gland. What triggers release of GH into the bloodstream? GHRH, the growth hormone releasing hormone, which is produced in hypothalamus, and it has a direct stimulatory effect on the pituitary gland and stimulates the release of GH. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, also stimulates release of GH, growth hormone. Increase of amino acids content in blood, stress, including physical exercise, and low blood sugar level and low fatty acids in blood also stimulate the release of growth hormone. What inhibits release of GH? Somatostatin, the inhibitory hormone of hypothalamus, free fatty acids in bloodstream, and IGF-1 via the negative feedback mechanism. The physiological effects of growth hormone are involving many organs in human body. Both growth hormone and IGF-1 are extremely versatile and important molecules. Thymus development, immunomodulation, support of the kidney structure and function, fetal growth and development, placental growth of development, testicular function and spermatogenesis, stimulation of ovarian follicles, neuronal development, beta amyloid plaque clearance, which is very important for prevention and reversal of Alzheimer's, cardiovascular development and protection, stimulator of progenitor cardiac cells, muscle growth and development, bone growth and development, and last but not the least, the fat burn. On the cellular level, as I have mentioned in the beginning of this presentation, growth hormone is promoting energy and nutrients redistribution. GH stimulates amino acids uptake in the muscles, increases ATP levels in the muscles by roughly 16 to 35%, increases protein synthesis in the musculoskeletal system, it breaks down fatty acids in the adipocytes, the fat cells, it breaks down glycogen in the liver, and increases gluconeogenesis, the de novo production of glucose in liver, hence increases the blood glucose level. In the same time, it reduces the glucose uptake in the cells and reduces the breakdown of the proteins.